Hello class, this is Dr. Olmos. This is for assignment number 2, question 2. So we need to convert these variables into z-scores. The local test, state exam, and the PSATM variables into z-scores. Okay, so go to your Excel file. You can move this out of the way or delete it. It's up to you. I'm just going to delete it. I'm done with it. Now I need to generate my standard deviation and mean for these three variables. So let's presume that you have already installed the data analysis 2-pack in your Excel, and it should look like this. If you're using a Mac or a PC, it should look like this as well. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to select descriptive statistics. Then click OK. And then here, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select the three variables and their corresponding numbers. And you go all the way down. All right, I'm done. I press return. The group by columns, labels in the first row. And for the output range, I'm going to select somewhere on my worksheet. Also, make sure you click on summary statistics as well. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to put it near the top so I can easily see it. Right there. That's all I need to do. Select a cell like somewhere toward the right of your table. Press return. And then click OK. Okay, great. So the great thing about this is that Excel will generate your statistics, your descriptive statistics. So I have the mean of the standard error, median mode, and standard deviation. So I'm more concerned about standard deviation and mean for each variable. So I get the mean and standard deviation, mean, standard deviation, mean, standard deviation for all three variables. That's what I need to do the z-score. Now it's time to calculate that. So you would want to insert a row right next to on the right of each variable. So you want to do that. Okay, I got that, and then click on this. Well, in this case, click on the cell right next to the first score of local tests. I'm going to go to formula. Then I'm going to click on insert function. And here I'm going to search for the formula standardize. Standardize. There it is. I found it. And then I click on insert function. Okay, so it's going to ask me for X. X is the score of the exam, of the student's exams. Okay, so I click on that. Make sure you click on the one right next to it on the left side, and then press return, or actually, we'll go to the next field. Maybe you don't need to press return after that. And then type in the mean. In this case, it's going to be 84.6. I'm sorry, 84.46. 84.46. And then the standard deviation is 9.64. 9.64. And then click done for Max. I think, well, for Max, is click done. I think for PC is a little bit different, but it's very similar. Okay, so I got my z-score, but I want it to be with two decimals after two decimals, so at least the tenth and the hundredths. So I want two decimal places after the decimal. So go to Format Cells, then I click on this. It says number, and I want to increase the number of decimals by increasing this to 2. Then click OK. Okay, great. You see, now I have my z-score for this score, but I want it for the rest of them. So here's a shortcut. All you need to do is move the cursor on the bottom right corner until it becomes like a little cross. Then click on the mouse, left click it, and then keep on holding it and drag it down. Drag it, and then there you are. You have the z-scores. Now, to do the other ones, you have to do the same thing. Like, you have to go here, and then, well, go right next to it on the right side. Go to Insert Function, and then click on Standardize and insert it. And then here, again, you put the score, but you put the score right next to it, which is on the left side. Here you put the mean. The mean in this case it's not going to be this one. It's not going to be 84.46. It's not going to be that. I repeat, it's not going to be that. It's going to be for this variable. It's going to be 218.79. So you put that there, and then you put the standard deviation. In this case, it's going to be 2.78. You put that here, where it says standard deviation. And then click Done. So let me see if I just do this one as well. 218.79. Standard deviation is 2.78. Click Done. And then make sure you show two decimal places on the right of that decimal by going to Format Cells, and then increase this value, decimal places, to 2. And then there you go. And then, like I said, you go there and drag it down so you can get the rest of the scores. You drag it down until you see the cross, hold the left mouse button, and then drag it down. Do the same thing for PSAT. Make sure you use the mean and standard deviation for PSATM here, which is listed here, and then you can generate the z-scores. Eventually, you need to find student 40's score. So student 40, let's see where it is. Where are you, student 40? I don't know if I passed it already. Let's see. There it is. So you want to get student 40's z-score. In this case, it's going to be negative 0.46. Go back to here and then put for local tests, it's, let's see, negative 0.46. And then it's asking you for percentile rank. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so you want to get the percentile rank for negative 0.46. One shortcut is to use an online calculator, and you can go to Google, type in, let's see, percentile rank calculator. Let's see what comes up. Okay, maybe z-score. There we go. Then click on this. All right, so I think the value was negative 0.46. So we'll go back to this. You put negative 0.46. Make sure you click on one-sided, 2 decimal places, and then submit. Okay, so this one will show how many people scored below. This one will show how many people scored above. So you want to get the value from the left one. How many percentile rank, how many people scored below and where that person falls. So that person fell around 32.28. So the percentile rank is 32.8. Or you can round it to 32. Okay, I'm done with this, and then just make sure you do the other ones and you follow the same method, and that will make you answer this question.